Hi guys, and welcome back to Naija News and Entertainment channel. Your number one channel for entertainment, news, gist, and celebrity gossip happening around. So today, Toyin Abraham reveals Davido and Bbnaija Mercy featured in a forthcoming movie titled Fate of Alakada. Nigerian singer Davido might just be making the switch to acting, as it has been hinted that he will be seen on the big screen as he featured in Toyin Abraham's star-studded Fate of Alakada movie. Toyin, who has made the revelation via her Instagram page, also declared she is now a member of the singer's 30 billion gang while sharing a photo with the singer. In the same news, Bbnaija 2019 winner Mercy Eke makes her acting debut in Toyin Abraham's Fate of Alakada also. Bbnaija Pepper Dem winner Mercy has made an Nollywood debut as she was casted for Toyin Abraham's upcoming movie Fate of Alakada. Mercy was pictured with Toyin Abraham and comedian Brother Shaggy on set for Fate of Alakada. Fate of Alakada is written by Moshood Yakub Olawale and Ozioma Obaji, directed by Kayode Kasim. The film is scheduled to release on April 10, 2020 in cinemas across Nigeria. And this is a great one for the movie industry. Mercy and Davido making their acting debut. And I think Mercy has gone a step or two further than Arrival Tasha, Instagram Slay Queen. So I think this is a great one for Mercy, a great one for Davido, and also a good marketing strategy for Toyin Abraham. The movie title Fate of Alakada, I'm sure to be a great movie. I would like to watch the movie and see what it's all about, guys. So guys, that's what I've got for you today. So I'm here for you if you want to add to this story or bring something up to my notice. You could drop your comments in the section below, and don't forget to subscribe to our channels to get more updates on news, gist, celebrity updates. Until next time, guys, take care and have fun. God bless you.